So redox reaction in term of electron transfer electron electron transfer reaction. Modern idea: oxidation, de-electronation. Oxidation process is the modern process in which one or more electrons are lost by an atom or ion or molecules. Example: zinc will convert to zinc 2 plus 2 electron is removed, and metal is converted to metal n plus and an electron is removed. Next, reduction. Electronation. Reduction is electronation. Oxidation is de-electronation. Reduction process is those process in which one or more electrons are gained by an atom, ion or molecule. Example: Cu2 plus 2 electrons will give us Cu atom, that is having zero oxidation state. Mn plus gain of an electron will give m electron. Oxidizing agent or de-oxidizing agent or oxidant. What is this then? Oxidizing agent are those compound which can oxidize other and reduce itself during the chemical reaction. Those reagent in which oxidation of an element decreases or which element undergo gain of electron in redox reaction are termed as oxidant. Example: KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, HNO3, concentrated H2SO4, etc. are powerful oxidizing agent. Reducing agent or reductant. Reducing agent are those compounds which can reduce other and oxidize itself during the chemical reaction. Those reagent in which for an element oxidation number increase or which undergoes loss of electron in a redox reaction. Are termed as reductant. Example: KiN2H2O3 etc. are the powerful reducing agents. Adapter keynotes. There are some compound also which can work both as oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Example: H2O2 and 2 minus. These are both oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. Adapter oxidation number. Oxidation number. It is defined as the imaginary or apparent charge developed over atom of an element when it goes from its elemental free state to combined state in molecules. It is calculated on the basis of an arbitrary set of rules. It is relative charge in a particular bond state. In this method, it is always assumed that there is a complete transfer of electron from less electronegative atom to more electronegative atom. Next, rules governing oxidation number. Of the following rules are helpful in calculating oxidation number of the elements. In these different compounds, it is to be known that the basis of these rules is the electronegativity of the element. Fluorine atom. Fluorine is the most electronegative atom known. It also has oxidation number equals to -1 in all its compound. Oxidation oxygen atom. In general as well as in its oxide, oxygen atom has the oxide number equals to -2. In case of peroxide, example H2O2 and 2O2 is n-1. Okay, superoxide, example K2KO2 is -1/2. Or ozonite, example KO3 is minus 1 by 3, and OF2 is 2 plus 2, and O2F2 is plus 1. Next, hydrogen atom. In general, hydrogen atom has oxidation number equals to plus 1, but in metallic hydride example NaH and KH is having minus 1. Okay, means hydrogen having minus 1. Halogen atom. In general, all halogen atom Cl, Br, I have oxidation number equals to minus 1, but the halogen is attached with more electronegative atom than halogen atom, then it will show positive oxidation number. Okay, that is KCl, KCiO3, and that halogen iodine having plus 5 oxidation state, HiO3 I having plus 5 oxidation state, and HCiO4 I having plus 7, KBrO3 I having plus 3. And then metals in metals. Okay. First, alkali metal, LiNaKrB, that is rubidium, always have oxidation number plus 1. Alkaline earth metal BeMgCa, calcium, always have oxidation number plus 2. Aluminium always has plus 3 oxidation number. Keynote: metal may have a negative or zero oxidation number. Oxidation number of an element in free state or in allotropic form is always 0. Example: O2 is 0, S8 is 0, T4 is 0, O3 is 0. Sum of the oxidation number of atom of all element in a number in the molecule is 0. Sum of the oxidation number of atom of all element in an ion is equals to the charge on the ion. Yes, oxidation number is equal to the charge on ion. If the group of number of element in modern periodic table is n, then the oxidation number may vary from n minus 10 to n minus 18, but it is mainly applicable for P block. Yes, for P block 10 minus n or n minus 10. Okay, elements. No, n minus 10 or n minus 18. And example: nitrogen atom belong to 15 group in the periodic table. Therefore, as per rule, the oxidation number may vary from minus 3 to plus 5. Minus 3 to plus 5.
FM mode, Bluetooth mode. Set to light is now connected.
Maximum possible oxidation number of any element in a compound is never more than the number of electron in valence shell, but it is mainly applicable for P block element. Oxidation state of an atom may be fractional, negative, zero, as well as positive. Train your brain. Calculate oxidation number of underlined element, that is Na2S2O3, so S2, Na2S4O6, that is S4. So we have to find sulfur's oxidation state. Let's oxidation number of a sulfur atom is X. Now work accordingly with the rules given below. 1 plus 1 into 2 plus x into 2 plus 2 minus 2 into 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to plus 2. So x is equals to plus 2. B. Let oxidation number of sulfur atom is X. Plus 1 into 2 plus x into 4 plus minus 2 into 6 is equals to 0. So x is equals to plus 2.5. Keynotes. It is important to note that Na2S2O3 have 2 sulfur atom and there are 4 s atom in Na2S4O6. However, none of the sulfur atom in both the compound have plus 2 or 2.5 oxidation number. It is the average of oxidation number which reside on each sulfur atom. Therefore, we should work to calculate individual oxidation number of each sulfur atom and sulfur atom in these compounds. Calculation of individual oxidation number. To calculate individual oxidation number of element in its compound, we should know the structure of the compound and use the following guidelines. Formula: oxidation number is equal to number of electron in the valence shell minus number of electron taken up after bonding. This is the formula. Guidelines. It is based on electronegativity of element. First, if there is bond between similar type of atom and each atom has same type of hybridization, then bonded pair electron are equally shared by each atom. Example: oxidation number of chlorine atom in Cl2 molecule. sp3 hybridized structure. Okay, this is the structure. So first, number of electron in the valence shell is equal to 7. Number of electron taken up after bonding is 7 and oxidation number is equals to 7 minus 7, that is 0. Next, similarly, oxidation number is equals to 7 minus 7, that is 0. Okay, same. Next, if the bond between different type of atoms, example A minus B, if B is more electronegative than A, then after bonding bonded pair of electron are connected with B atom. After bonding, bond pair of electron are counted with B atom. Example: oxidation number of each atom in HCl molecule. Structure, that is, this is the structure HCl. H, number of electron in the valence shell is equals to 1. Number of electron taken up for binding is 0 and oxidation number of hydrogen is equals to 1 minus 0 is equals to plus 1. And Cl, number of electron in valence shell is 7 and number of electron taken up for bonding is 8. So oxidation number of chlorine is 7 minus 8 is equals to minus 1. Alright. Keynote: electron of hydrogen atom in is now counted with chlorine atom because chlorine atom is more electronegative than hydrogen atom. Train your brain. Calculate individual oxidation number of each sulfur atom in the Na2S2O3 sodium trisulfate with the help of this structure. This is the structure. Okay. Sulfur, oxygen. First, central sulfur atom is sp3 hybridized, that is 25% s character, and second terminal s is sp2, that is 33% s character. Therefore, terminal sulfur atom is more electronegative than central sulfur atom. Now, shared pair of electrons are counted with terminal sulfur atom. First, sulfur atom. Number of electron in the valence shell is equal to 6. Number of electron left after bonding is 0. Valence is 6 and left after bonding is 0. Oxidation number of central sulfur atom is 6 minus 0 is equal to plus 6. And second, sulfur atom, that is number of electron in the valence shell is 6. So Number of electron left after bonding is 8. Next, oxidation number of terminal sulfur atom is 6 minus 8, that is minus 2.